technology, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a thrift haul. I haven't really shopped for clothing in forever, so I wanted to show you guys what I've collectively hauled so far. And I am in the process of moving, so all of this behind me is in boxes. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this, and let's just get started. So I'll be starting with some miscellaneous things. The first thing I got was this very vibrant scarf, right, Leah? And I really liked how the pattern looked like. It's like this rosy leopard cheetah print. I think it's just roses actually. And yeah, I really liked how it was like beige, and I can easily wear this on my head as a bandana, maybe even a top. I could even make Leah wear it. Oh, he looks so pretty. So this next item is shoes, and I got these fake Balenciaga I guess sock shoes, and they are the brand Zara. I was super surprised, and they are also the size 34. She's literally a cat. But I really like this. They're like a nice casual-ish sporty look. Haven't done YouTube in a while, so I'm pretty rusty. So the next items I'll probably be doing are the bottoms. So this first pair I got from New York. I actually visited my best friends at New York just because they moved there. I got this. This is technically not from a thrift store, but it was a kind of like a, this was the $10 bins that they had outside of their store, and this is the brand Kendall and Kylie. So I got this really adorable button-down skirt. It doesn't really have the most accessible pockets, but I was able to suffice because I can kind of fit my phone. So once I got those blue denim skirts, that blue denim skirt, I got this one. This is an Old Navy khaki, I guess kind of pleated skirt. I'm really digging the whole schoolgirl vibe. This is actually a size 6 to 7 year old, and I am able to actually fit these if I like suck in my stomach really hard, but they do have shorts within it. I might just cut out the shorts because they are pretty tight. Then the next skirt that I got are these camo ones. They are from the brand Mud, and these fit super nice. I like how they're more of a fitted skirt, and I really like the camo print just because the camo style is kind of coming back into fashion. And then the next bottom I got is actually yet another skirt, but this is more of like a work skirt. It would look nice without the hanger, but it looks just like this and has a self tie on the left side of the side, and has this zipper closure in the back. And the brand is Wilfred, so Wilfred is Aritzia, so I'm assuming this was pretty pricey for a retail price, but I really like the asymmetrical look it has, and I hope to be wearing this in the office whenever I come back. The next pair are these BDG denim black shorts. I did get a size 26, and this is the Girlfriend high rise. These do fit pretty nice. I'm assuming I'll be gaining a lot of summer fun weight. I feel like they're oddly new for denim I guess, distressed jeans, but they are BDG, so I was super excited to find this in the men's shorts section. I'm assuming someone was trying to hide them, but I found them anyway. The next bottoms are all long pants. Don't mind this one that's next because I plan on doing a really extravagant DIY with these, but these I'm trying to envision like it would look like a hoodie just because I love the blush color. And then the next pair of pants I got are these surprisingly blush long, I guess, dressy pants, but they are the size 11 to 12 in Zara Kids. I actually already wore these for my New York City trip, but I styled it with a black tube top or with spaghetti straps and then some maroon heels as I went to the rooftop bar and then karaokeing with my girls. The next pair of pants I got are none other than these. I don't know how you call these, but they are the brand of John Galt, so it's the Brandy Melville brand, and they're kind of the casual, I guess, dress pants, but can definitely envision myself wearing this with like a white off-the-shoulder top or tube top or anything white really. I really love the fit of this. It's super loose, not super loose. It's loose enough where I'm comfortable. And then the next pair of pants is actually leggings. This is none other than Lululemon leggings. So these are probably retailed. These are probably retailed like $150, I believe. The brand logo, probably zoom in on it, but these are very long on me. I'm just probably going to be like folding them just because they are quite long, but they are in the color like ashy gray or dark French gray. They're not quite black, or at least midnight black, but I already have dog hair on them, so. And then the next pair of pants I got are these heather gray Adidas joggers. You can see from the cinched tapered leg. I'm actually thinking of DIYing this into quite a smaller, or into shorts and then a matching top, so stay tuned for that DIY very soon. But they are the size large and they fit quite big on me, but like I said before, these will be DIY'd very soon. I actually have one more that isn't technically thrifted, but I did get these from TJ Maxx. I'm actually wearing a pair right now because they were only got them for $10, so technically $5 each. Biker shorts, they are the brand Olivia Ray, but they are in the size small. So moving on to tops, I'm actually wearing a thrifted top right now, which is this plaid shirt. This is the brand, I think, LL Bean.
Walk.
I will. Anyway, I got this plaid, I guess shirt. It was originally like a half C's button down rather than a full length one, but I did cut it right through the middle, and I hope to be fixing it just because it's pretty ugly at the moment. But I hope to hem it buttonhole side. I haven't YouTubed in a while. I also got another plaid top, and also within the brand BDG, so Urban Outfitters, and I am in love with the colors just because I don't have anything black and blue plaid. I have either black and white and red or maroon shades, and I don't have blue, so it kind of matches the plaid that I got as well during my thrift finds. But I love how it's not your traditional button-down plaid shirt, but it is a tie knot in the middle. But I love the like asymmetrical hemline where it's short in the front and then really long in the back. Moving on, I got this baby blush pink sweater, even though I don't need any sweaters for the summertime, even though there might be like cool summer nights. But I got this one and it was in kind of like the trendy section of Goodwill. I guess no one wants me to film today. But anyway, I got this one and it is the brand Topshop. They actually had an original tag from Nordstrom Rack, and it is retailed $60, but it was on sale for $30. But I only got this one for $5, and I really like how it's like a velvety feel, and it says new romance on the top right boob, and then on the left side it's 8/10/99. I believe that's a date for something significant, which I don't know. But I love the collar, which is kind of like a mock collar. And my boyfriend's coming back from walking Leah. No, Leah, that's my microphone. No. So, pretty happy with that. Last but not least, I got this, excuse me, Leah, very short Levi's denim jacket. But these are actually from the children's section because they are kids and they are a size medium. It is quite short on me, especially the sleeves, but I really like that style just because I have so many oversized denim jackets already. I feel like I'm going to be cropping this quite short just because it is already cropped on the sleeves. But since this was from the children's section, it was only $1, so I was super excited once I saw the cashier bring it up. But that's pretty much everything I've got during my collective thrift haul splurge. I believe everything I've got was only maybe under $50, under $40. But I will be moving from Boston back to my home state, which is Pennsylvania, very close to Philly. But I hope to do more thrift hauls just because I really want to revamp my closet. As I was packing everything up, I noticed that I don't really wear much of the clothes I packed, and they were all kind of black and white neutrals, so I hope to spice it up very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and see you next video. Bye!